Now, in our recent TikTok, one of the videos went viral, so we've been getting a lot of PlayStation 5 repairs. And I was not planning on recording the majority of them. They're all just basic repairs for us. However, this one is a bit different. I decided to record this one because when I opened up this package, I found something that wasn't the best. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm gonna pull out this PS5. And I'm not sure if you can guess what we found, but decided to make a video out of this. So we haven't done any disassembly on this PlayStation 5. I did open it, or I did remove the bubble tape just to take a look at it. And what I found was fairly disgusting. But I did not get this far. I just looked at the vents on the back. So what you see here, these are larvas for cockroaches. I did not get this far yet, so let's go ahead and fully unwrap this and see what we find. Oh my god. I think this is the worst PlayStation 5 I have ever seen. In really bad shape. I don't think the camera or the lighting is doing it justice, but I guess there's a burn here. I'm not certain how that happened. And this is the condition of the front. Ah, man, why do you even send stuff like this? You're on camera too.
I'm on camera too.
Oh yeah. Oh man, this is not the best. I am I am very disgusted here. I'm not sure if this turns on, so here's what the customer had said in their mail-in form. Customer states, alright, so this is a PS5, other PS5 turns on, then immediately turns back off. There's a burn mark on the outside shell. They found us on TikTok. More details is what they provided was it turns on long enough to take out the CD and put it in. I don't know what's going on here. I haven't even tested it, but what I'm gonna do right now is we're just gonna go ahead and turn this guy on. I have yet to open, I have yet to see anything, and then we'll see what happens then. Let's go ahead and just plug this in. What I wanna test is just the turning on function. Surprisingly, it turns on. And then what they said, it turned off. Okay, turning it back on and turned off. We have a lot of work to do on this PS5. First thing is first, I do want to give this a clean, just because what I'm expecting to find inside right now is just filth and cockroaches. So this is the first time we're opening it, and God knows what we're gonna find. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh my god. It smells bad too. What is this? Is that watermelon? I was gonna say wax, or is that can't do? Look at that, man. Oh man, I'm not too happy. And there's right inside of here, look, there's bugs. What is that? I don't know if I even want to work on this, to be honest. Man, I'm so disgusted. I don't know what is going on here. What is that? Oh, there's a dude, I'm serious, I may end up throwing up. And this has been opened before. Look at this. There is a fly. I don't know if I should work on this. I was planning on working on it up until, if you guys already noticed, right here, this has been opened before. So this has been tampered with. Whoever played with it, opened it, decided it's not worth repairing. I'll give it a shot, but there's no guarantees for this. This is just, oh. Well, here we go. Let's get started. You guys already know the protocol. We're just gonna take this apart and we'll see what we find. Missing screw already. Oh my god, look at the fan. Yeah, something red. I think, like you said, watermelon. No, this is candy or wax or something fell on top of this PS5. I just want to stop this repair. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of what is this and what is that in this video. Oh, well, this has never been removed. Okay, well, that's good. Finally, some good news. Okay, let's put this aside. So because of that tape never being ripped before, this tells me this shell was never removed. So nobody's played on the board. And it looks like to me that, no, these components have been removed. Very good. Oh wait, this has been removed. There's tape that's ripped right here. Oh no, these have been ripped. Okay, no, this has been removed before. I'll take a look. Let's remove this. Yeah, 100%. Fleas? Probably get cancer from this. I see liquid damage or water damage or candles. It keeps looking like candles. Whatever all this stuff is right here. Remove this. There's no damage here. Remove that. 2 more screws on the motherboard. All right, and we're gonna remove the clamp. Yeah, we're not the first ones here. This clamp wasn't screwed in correct or strong enough. Okay, this is now where we're gonna see the liquid metal. This is why the customer sent it over. They think it needs liquid metal. Okay, well, there's definitely a dry spot, some oxidation. That oxidation right here should not be enough to just prevent it from turning on, basically. So I'm really thinking it's probably another issue that they're having. We can visually inspect the motherboard, even with all this, whatever that is that they have. Look at this. Looks like it's candles, like melted candle. You know what I mean? It's like thick. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. What I like to do is I want to also remove this. Normally I don't remove this part because I don't need to, but the customer needs a deep clean, and I also want to take a look at their power supply. Okay, it's not that bad here. Okay, what is that? Oh my god. What the hell is that? What the hell? Do you see this? Oh yeah, it's infested. Oh no. Look, there's bugs. It's candle, man. It's candle wax. Look, there's bugs all over. Oh. Let's try a new power supply and get this cleaned out for this customer. So we spent about a day yesterday trying to diagnose this guy. It certainly is having board-related issues, and every time we dive deeper, it's just a rabbit hole. So we're not gonna even touch this anymore at this point. We've already spent way too much time on it. We're just gonna send it back to the customer and just tell them it's too nasty to work on or something like this. So if you guys are planning on sending us a device, a PlayStation 5, please make sure it's not infested. It's at least in a manner where we can touch and not feel disgusted when we're working on the PS5. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This was a little bit more of a surprise than I expected, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.